you guys, welcome to Domix Design, where we always come across with new methods about UI and UX design. And if you're here for the first time, start now by subscribing this channel. In this video, we're going to challenge your knowledge about UX design. But first, let's pause the video for a few seconds and launch a little contest. You have to write as much UX design rules as you know. Please use the comment section below and tell me all UX design rules you know. But here's the important part. The next video will be based on your answers. We're going to analyze them and talk about them in the video and give a shout out to the writer. So if you haven't written your answers yet, please do it right now. Now, let's begin. So the first principle we're going to talk about is think about the real needs of user. The thing is, the real needs of users matter, not what you think about them. You may think the design is brilliant, which it is, no offense, but it means nothing if you don't belong to a key audience. The very concept of UX design implies the work of the designer is centered around the user and product interaction, which means we should understand if our audience is satisfied with our product or not. UX testing of the product determines if everything is clear for a user while he's using the product, are there any problem with it, and why do they occur. During the research, you ask your respondents and carefully watch their actions. Now let's hop into the second principle, which is, for God's sake, explain what is going on. Look, people prefer to know what is going on and what to expect after their actions, so they don't need to stare at the screen with breathless expectation. What's next? Actually, Jacob Nielsen claims that the more predictable the interaction with the product is, the more credence the users give to your product. What the hell? And it leads you to a better user experience. Also, don't forget about it's important. What? What? Oh, you don't believe me then? Alright, that's new. But doesn't matter, because as always, I have my proof. The former worker of Apple, Bruce Tecnazini, said it is good if the users don't need to guess about the status of the system. They just look at the interface, understand it. See, that's my proof. Which rolls us to the third rule: follow the standards with your interface. Make your product's interface look like analogs. Don't invent the wheel, just follow the pattern. You may think there's no creativity. Okay, you're right, there isn't. But there is care for users. So for this part and understanding this part better, make sure to hit the subscribe button right down here and let us help you. Look, there is a rule here. The more users know the interface, the faster they're going to use your services. They don't have to learn how to use your product, and seriously, nobody wants to waste time. Okay, now we got the fourth rule, and it's a simple one, right? It's a simple one, yeah? Yeah, they say yeah. Accessibility, that's it. Sounds easy, right? Easy? Yeah, they say it's easy. The critical principle of design is accessibility. Around 1 billion people on the planet have different kinds of diseases, and 7 out of 10 users leave a website if it's not available to them. I know, man, it's a lot, right? So develop a design that's also suitable for people with physical limitations. Think about users' age, cultural specificity, and etc. Rolling to number 5, and it is simplicity is a must. Yeah, I know, I get it. Some of you guys just love to design a crowded page, and I'm on your side actually, But see, that's wrong. That's it. That is what's wrong with our design. Simple and effective design is more important than decorations. So keep testing your products. For example, when we talk about iPhones, we agree that they're simple and it's still effective. Yo, sorry if I scared you. I don't know what got into my. I am really sorry. Let's just forget that. So the last but not the least, the language. Don't get it right? Yeah, I was like at the first place. When your interface talks using complex language, it just annoys people. Simple language means that your product is friendly, and also it is really important. Look, life itself is complicated, so Don't try to make it harder. So let's just design our products in a way that helps our users to get what they want when they navigate our website. So that was basically for today, guys. First of all, I really love you. I hope that I could really help you in this video. I provided 6 new rules of UX design. I hope you could implement them in your designs and see the change. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video and I could help you in any kind of way, don't forget to grab the like button because it helps getting this video spread out and help more people. Until next video, have a great day.